Hello guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. In case you are new here, karibu sana. My name is Miss Kinyua, and if you are new, kindly do consider subscribing to this channel because I have lots of content lined up for you. And if you are already subscribed, kindly turn on your post notification bell so that you are notified every time that I post a new video, because I have a lot of them coming soon. And you guys, the reason for doing this video is because I need some information from you guys. I need you to plug me. I am moving, you guys. This is sort of a life update video. I don't do such kind of videos, but this time I'm doing this because I need some information from you guys. I need you to plug me on moving companies or relocating companies, whatever you call them, that are cost effective and that are efficient and that you have used before, because I haven't used such companies before. Because the last time I was moving is when I was coming into this house and we didn't have a lot of items. Fun fact, we were moving from a bed sitter that could only fit a bed and a cooker and of course the kitchen utensils and all that. So we didn't have a lot of items. We didn't even use a rolly and all that. We used a small vehicle to ferry us here. So of course I don't have an experience with moving companies, and this is where you come in. Kindly plug me with the ones that you have used on the comment section below. Let me know, and let me know what you liked about them. Let me know how their services were, and let me know the price and what the package involves, because I'm told that some moving companies arrange the items for you as they were in the previous house. Some don't. Some even mop the house for you, some don't. Let me know what the package includes, that is what the price includes and all that, and I will really do appreciate. And also let me know the kind of videos that you would like me to do during this moving process. Let me know if you would fancy some house hunting videos, because if you will, I will do a couple of them before I get the one that I want. Yeah, that is it. Let me know what you'd like me to do. And also you guys, I have received my items from CK Imports. The last time I did a video on them, I told you that I was waiting for some goods to arrive. They hadn't arrived yet, but I have received them. But even before I show you the items, you guys, I really do want to appreciate you for coming through for her. Like, she opened group 2, group 3, group 4, group 5, and I think all the groups are full. Maybe they have some few vacant let me call them vacants or space or whatever, of maybe 2 or 3 people for the people that have left, which is common in WhatsApp groups. But you guys, thank you for that, and thank you also for coming through for Anne of Lead Furnitures. That is the last video that I did, the lady that I went to her house that sells furniture. You guys have really come through for her and have been getting some pretty positive reviews. I am happy, I am contented, and I'm glad I did that video. You guys have been giving me some positive feedback on Instagram. And by the way, if you are not following me on Instagram, kindly do. I am Terry Kinyua on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram link on the comment section below. And let me stop talking, because actually I am headed out, so I don't have time to do a lengthy video. I am headed out, and also I want this video to be short as possible. I don't even think it will be 10 minutes. So let me show you the goods that I received, and this will be a classic case of what I ordered versus what I received. I will be putting photos of the items that were in the order list, and of course you will be seeing what I received in this video. I will start with the bags. I had ordered 2 bags for my sisters, and it's it's not good that they are seeing the bags on this video even before they received them, because these were gifts to them. I don't know for what, for being my sisters. This is the first bag. Of course it was stuffed using this paper, so Let me show you the way that it came. Yeah, that is how it looks, and that is how it looks. And it has a chain. It had a chain inside, I think, for plugging here and there, and it's like a small bag. I think it can only fit a phone, very small. I will put a photo of how they looked on the order list here. One thing that I have learned online shopping: always ask for the measurements of the items that you are ordering, because photos can be deceiving, you guys. Always ask for the measurements of anything that you order that is not labeled in like numbers, like shoes and all that. Always ask for the measurements. This is the first one, and this is the second one. This is a black one, and it's the same case as the other one. It was stuffed with that, and the chain is inside there. It's not partitioned because it's a small bag. A small bag. Actually, it can only fit your phone and like a small purse. That is how it looked. And it's leather. That is one thing that I love about it. Yeah, I will put a photo of how they looked on the order list so that you can judge for yourself. So that is the second item. The other items were shoes that I had ordered for my partner because I love him that much. You guys, yani, I didn't even order anything for myself. Yeah, this is how the sneakers looks, and the sole, I love it. I love it. I love it. Actually, I am more than satisfied with this purchase. This one was the black one. I had ordered two, a black one and a red one. It just looks like the other one. And of course, I will also put photos of how they looked on the order list so that you can see. This one, I am more than satisfied with this purchase. And the sneakers were going for 560 shillings, and the bags were going for 500 Kenyan shillings. And I have been getting a lot of questions on how their shipping fees are, whether the shipping fees are exaggerated and all that. And I don't think their shipping fees are exaggerated, because mostly the shipping fees are half the price of the item, or slightly above the price of the half the price, or slightly below half the price. That is that is all that I can say. Slightly above half the price, or slightly lower. They are not exaggerated according to me, and that is all that I had for this video. And the video is 8 minutes now, and guys, I'm telling you that I want to head out and I don't want to get late to where I am going. So thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly remember to plug me on the moving companies, and to plug me on what else? Yes, the moving companies, and also to tell me on to, what am I even saying? Also, I would like you to let me know on the videos that you would like me to do during this moving process and all that. And also, kindly remember to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!